In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your TurboTax login information. If you're having trouble getting back into your TurboTax account, don't worry. The recovery process is straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you know exactly what to do. To begin, go to the TurboTax website and look for the Sign In button. Click Sign In to open the login page. This is the starting point for recovering access to your account, whether you've forgotten your password or just need help getting back in. Once you're on the Sign In screen, click your account field or account option to continue. This brings you to the area where TurboTax helps identify your login and gives you access to recovery tools. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward. Next, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the key step that tells TurboTax you need help. Recovering your login information. If you've been trying different passwords and nothing is working, this is the safest way to reset access instead of guessing repeatedly. After that, choose the option to email a code. TurboTax will send a verification code to the email address connected to your account. Make sure you can access that inbox before continuing. If the message doesn't appear right away, give it a minute or two and check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. Once you receive the code, follow the on-screen steps to continue the recovery process. This usually means entering the code exactly as it appears, then proceeding through the prompts to verify your identity and reset your password or restore access to your account. Be careful when typing the code, since even a small mistake can cause an error. As you complete the remaining prompts, choose a password that is secure but also easy for you to remember. A good password is usually a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's best not to reuse one from another account. If you run into delays, double check that you're using the correct email address linked to your TurboTax account. That's often the biggest reason recovery emails don't show up right away. And that's it. By signing in, selecting the account option, choosing Forgot Password, requesting a code by email, and following the remaining prompts, you can recover your TurboTax login information and get back into your account.